Hello, my name is Zac Zetterberg and I'm the Curator of Art in the Center for American Decoys at the Peoria Riverfront Museum. I'm here in my living room bringing you a short video about an instrument that I am interested in, and this is a sitar, and it's an Indian instrument used in Indian classical music. One thing I would like to share with you is that the sitar it looks very exotic and strange, but what is played on the sitar is very similar to what we study in Western music. And to simplify that for you, you probably all know or have heard before the major scale, which goes do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, da. Well, in Indian music, and I'll play it on the sitar here, it goes sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, mi, sa. So although we are ocean apart, we have very similar things going on in our music. And the sitar is an extremely interesting instrument and very complex. It's as complex as it looks. And I came to the sitar because of my interest in guitar and learning guitar as a young kid. And you know, learning the guitar got me interested in other kinds of music from all over the world. And because of that interest, I found my way to India. And as a graduate student at Arizona State University, I was awarded a fellowship to travel to India to study Indian miniature painting, because I was actually studying art at the time. But I was also interested in music. So while I was there, I studied sitar with a very accomplished sitar player for over a month and a half. And I learned a lot about Indian culture and this instrument in particular. It's been a few years since I played, so I'm a little rusty, but I thought you'd be interested to just learn a little bit more about it. I should tell you that later this year in September, we have a great exhibit coming to Peoria called Guitar, the Instrument That Rocked the World. And I think it's going to be a really great family-oriented exhibit. A lot of hands-on exhibits. It will talk about the science behind the guitar, the history of the guitar, and you know, I think even though it's called guitar, music influences everyone, and Peoria is a music town. So this show will be for everybody in the community. And thank you to our friends at Illinois Mutual for making the show possible. And thank you for everyone on the Visionary Society and all of our members at the museum. We couldn't do this without you. And with that, I will conclude with a little sa, re, ga, ma, pa, just in case you forgot. Here we go. Thank you.